In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a ceiling between your roof and your ground floor. So basically, we're going to be leaving a gap between the roof and the ceiling, and in that gap, it's where you place your services, so say your air conditioning duct, and so on. Now, the first step to add the ceiling is to actually add your level. So click on level and let's add a level. Make sure these dashed lines appear so that you know that it's aligned with the already present level, and click once on the screen. Now let's rename that. Let's call this ceiling, and let's choose the height of it is 3800, so that 200 mil between the roof and the ceiling is where your services would go. The next step is to actually place the ceiling. Now, before I do that, I want to explain really quickly the difference between your floor plans and the ceiling plans. Now, in order to place your ceiling, you gotta be in your ceiling plan. The difference between these two, the ceiling plan and the floor plan, is that in the floor plan, so in the floor plan, it'd actually be looking at, your building from the top. So you consider yourself as being located at the top, and you're looking at it, towards the bottom, right? So you have a sort of top-down view of the building. In the ceiling plans, however, it's the total opposite. So it's like you're at a specific level, but you're looking up, so it's from bottom up, right? So in order to place a ceiling, we've got to be in the ground floor level. The ground floor level for the ceiling plan, and then we're looking up, so we're looking at our ceiling where it's actually going to be placed. And then go to architecture, select your ceiling from here, and again, just like walls and floors, you'll notice that under properties we have specific compounding ceiling that we can select. I'll just stick with the plane. If you guys wanted to play around with that, you have to go to edit, duplicate that, and then you can edit the structure. So whatever, in this case our structure consists of a metal stud layer and gypsum wall board. Just leave it as it is for now, and then see how it's not allowing me to place anything outside the building, because for a ceiling it has to be located within the boundaries of a wall. So over here, as soon as you see this mouse cursor appear, you know that you can place a ceiling somewhere here. Now, the thing to note is that the level that we choose, it has to be on the ceiling level, and now we choose the offset as 0, and make sure that the room bounding box is checked. So now we're ready to place the ceilings. Just go around these, and then it tells us that none of the elements are actually visible, and the reason for that is because we've got to play around with the so we've got to play around with the view range. So as you can see now, I can see where the ceiling is. Again, just go around, click on ceiling first, and then let's place one over here. Let's place one. Oh, and the reason that I can't see it now is because I forgot to change that. So I got to do that. So let's undo. And let's change that to ceiling, and click on that, click on that. Alright, so you gotta do it every time. Make sure that you select the correct level, otherwise it's not gonna appear. And then so if you have a look at it from a 3D point of view, you now can see that this space So my space is basically enclosed now, and I've got this ceiling that is located between my roof level and the ground floor level.